Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you new to Zoho CRM? This beginner-friendly tutorial will walk you throughout the basics of setting up and using Zoho CRM to manage your customer relationships. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, I will need you to search for Zoho CRM. Now, Zoho CRM is a part of the Zoho Corporation. Basically, Zoho Corporation has multiple apps. There is Zoho, for example, Invoices, CRM, and Books, and even much more. Now, how can we start using this app? We should first of all head up to zoho.com. By going there, we need to go ahead and log into our accounts. I have my account already opened. Then once it is opened, then you should simply click right here and click on Access Zoho CRM, which will open Zoho CRM. Now, as you can see here, this is the actual dashboard. So let's navigate in it and understand it and how it works. So first of all, here we have the menu, which is in the top of the page. CRM, home, leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, reports, campaigns, documents, visits, and projects. Here on the right, you will find the plan that you are using on your account. For the moment, I'm using the free plan. You can upgrade it to whatever plan you want, and we're gonna also discover all different plans in this video. So let's leave it here. Here you can create another menu shortcut. So you can, for example, in case you didn't find one of these, you can add them. Here you can search for a specific thing, and here you can schedule or view the calendar and view the upcoming events. Here there's the marketplace. The marketplace has some apps that you could use, like extensions, as you can see, that can make your life easier when it comes to using the app. And here you can find the setup, which has all the settings of the account and basically the dashboard itself. So it has multiple things like general, security control, channels, customization, automations, data administration, marketplace, and developer hub. And finally here you'll find this which has basically everything that Zoho has, like all the featured app from Zoho CRM to Zoho Books, inventory, invoice, billing. Like Zoho has a lot. It has a lot of services. So let's go back to the home page. In the home page you'll find your open tasks, your meetings, today's leads, my deals closing this month, and basically in the bottom you'll find these 5 icons, like the announcements, if there is any announcements or basic notification. Here you'll find sticky notes. This is very cool thing, which you can leave yourself some sticky notes on the page just to make yourself remember and keep noting everything that you need to note so you don't forget anything. Also, you have here like an activity reminder, which is basically just like a timer. And basically here you can find the recent items, which is a history. And finally here you can find the Zoho notebook, which has every single note that you have written in your life, as long as you didn't delete them. So what can we do in Zoho exactly? Well, you can register your leads, which is very cool. Something that you really need is a platform where you can save every single lead, your contacts, your deals, and basically have them all together in one place, and that will help you a lot when it comes to reports and analytics. You will find that Zoho is gonna boost your abilities in doing such things. Let's go here and see. When it comes to reports, Zoho gives you a lot of things. It gives you so many things when it comes to reports. For example, here you can click and view all the reports from vendor versus purchases. Like, let's view my reports here. So here I have no reports recently but made, but once you get to create your reports, you will be able to view here everything in, like, view it in chart, etc. On the other hand, here we have contacts. Contacts is where you save the customers, and basically like anyone that you deal with within your company. For example, there is someone who is important who you are going to be making a deal with, so you will always need to have them basically saved in here in the contact list. So you could always have their contact informations, know who they are, which deal are they related to, and also the amounts. So you could save everything. The best thing about the contacts here is totally filtered. So you can have here everything that you might need right here. So you could, for example, I would need to talk to this guy on Skype. So simply you could search for Skype and basically you could search for it. So it's going to filter it for you. Here, on the other hand, you have the accounts. So here you can filter by account name, account number. So this is going to be helping you a lot when it comes to basically paying. It's gonna really help you so you can find the account number of your clients, or basically if you're a client of someone else, then you can find the account number here so you can pay them. Also, you will find not only the clients, but you might find also like the salaries and employees accounts so you can pay their paycheck. Here is something that is very cool, which is tasks. You can literally create tasks and basically assign them to a specific department. Other things at that, you can even put priority to the task and put due dates so you never have to worry about anything. Everything will be organized here. People will know which one to start with, what is the highest priority, and which here, like by yourself as a manager, you will be even able to see which one is done, which one is completed, which one has not started yet, and which one is in the progress. And also you can even verify who's the person basically assigned to this, so you can contact them later on to check if there is any news within the progress. If there was any error, you can ask why is there an error and basically try to find the solution. Zoho, guys, is like a whole platform that will boost you a lot. Make sure to understand it, make sure to use it a lot for a few months until you get used to it. Then I highly suggest that you move your company database to here, since it's gonna be really organized, fixed, and basically there is no need to use alternative tools than Zoho. It has everything in it. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. That was it for today's video, guys. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll try my best to read them all and basically make videos as solutions for your problems. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.